Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right thread and needle for your fabric. This prevents skipped stitches. Place the spool on the spool pin and secure with a cap, then guide thread through the first thread guide. Wind the bobbin until full, watch for even tension. Stop at about 1/2 turn before the end if your machine stalls. Once done, insert the bobbin into the case following the arrow. Make sure the thread tail exits in the proper direction so the machine will pick it up. Now thread the upper path by following the numbered guides stamped on the machine, because correct sequence controls tension. Bring the thread down through the tension discs. This is why tension matters. Too loose and loops form, too tight and thread breaks. Raise the take-up lever to high position and slip the thread through. This lever moves with each stitch to feed thread. Finally, thread the needle front to back unless your manual instructs otherwise, and leave a 4 to 6 inch tail to pull up the bobbin thread. To finish, lower the presser foot and hold the needle thread lightly while turning the handwheel toward you until the needle makes one full cycle and picks up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads under the presser foot toward the back so they won't tangle when you start sewing. Sew a few test stitches on a scrap piece to confirm stitch quality. If loops or skipped stitches appear, adjust upper tension slightly and rethread. If problems persist, clean lint from the bobbin area. Often that fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.